Make sure the water in the tank is heated up to at least 45 degrees Celsius. Higher temperature enhances the cleaning powder dissolving process in water. Caution: before you proceed with cleaning media preparation, remember to wear personal protective equipment. Open the carton box and take out 4 packages of cleaning media. Cut the first packaging open with a sharp tool. Remove the cleaning media container lid. Pour a portion of cleaning powder into the basket. Move the basket in different directions to speed up the powder dissolving process. You can also enhance the process by putting your glove into the basket. Once all the powder has been dissolved, put the rest of the packaging contents into the basket and repeat the procedure. Repeat the procedure for all 4 packages in order to reach 10% solution. Move the basket back to its original filtration position. Put the container's lid back to its place and close the container metal cover. Turn on the heater.